Hey everybody, my name's Kelly and I'm gonna take a second today to show you our premium presenter kit. This is such an amazing kit because it gives you an introduction to both our makeup and our skincare. But let's start off with how beautiful this bag is. This is what it shows up in this beautiful purple box. And let's talk about everything that comes inside. So we'll start with makeup first. My favorite palette ever, our Moodstruck Addiction palette number 3. It's these beautiful cool tones that work on so many different complexions. Then we also have our Sunset Beachfront Bronzer. Love this bronzer because it's half matte, half shimmer, so it gives you a beautiful tone all over. And then my number one favorite product, which is our Splash Liquid Lipstick. Now, not only do you get one of these, but you get 2 of them in our best-selling colors. You're going to get Sympathetic and Successful. They're both neutral tones with a pop of mauve. You're gonna absolutely love these beautiful matte finish lipsticks. We are known for being the lash innovators. So we're gonna make sure that you're set up for success with plenty of mascara. Number 1 will be our best-selling Epic Black Mascara, one for you to try and one for you to test out or maybe to sell right away. Then our Moodstruck Epic Waterproof, which you can top this mascara over any one of our other mascaras to give you that flawless waterproof look for the rest of the summer, which is my favorite. And then our Moodstruck 4D. Now this is our one-step fiber mascara that's gonna take your lashes to lengths you've never seen before. Now to apply that Moodstruck Addiction palette, we're gonna make sure that you're set up with my favorite brush ever, which is the Fluffy Crease Brush. And now let's introduce a little bit of our skincare line. It's called YOU.OLOGY, and it's wonderful because it's personalized to you and all of your customers, over 40,000 combinations to be exact. Now let's start with the YOU.OLOGY Rose Water. Seriously, like a must-have in every woman's makeup arsenal. Then we have our YOU.OLOGY Brightening Mask. Love this one to brighten and tighten that face. And then our YOU.OLOGY Cleansing Cloths. You guys, these smell like cucumber and they're like absolutely divine. And to make sure that you can get a little taste of everything else, we're gonna send you with a sample of all 4 of our YOU.OLOGY masks. Now, one thing that we are known for is our Liquid Touch Foundation, also known as Liquid Gold. And we have so many different colors, so we wanna make sure that you're set up for success with finding your perfect color and your customer's perfect color. So you're gonna get these awesome samples, and they also have samples of our Touch Glorious Primer, which will change your makeup game forever. Now inside, you're also gonna find a catalog so that you can get yourself familiar with all of our products. What I love about our catalogs is that all the models are actually active presenters that are working their business right now. We don't hire out our models. We love real beauty, so we use real women to make sure that, you know, our products are represented by the women who love them the most. You'll also get your little pathway to success here, but don't worry about that. The presenter who shared this video with you can tell you more about it. So we're excited to hopefully welcome you to the Y family. If you have more questions, go back to the presenter who sent you this video, and I'm sure that she can take care of you.